Add more RAM. If your computer is still running slow after trying these tips, it may be time to upgrade your RAM. RAM, or random access memory, is the temporary memory that your computer uses to run programs. Cut to a shot of a person opening up their computer case. To add more RAM, you'll need to open up your computer case and insert new RAM modules. Be sure to check your computer's manual for instructions on how to do this. Cut to a shot of a person inserting new RAM modules. Closing shot of a person using their newly optimized computer, looking satisfied. And there you have it, 5 simple tips and tricks to speed up your PC. Try these out and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching.